Good morning, children. Today also we are going to continue the same chapter, Heron's formula. Today we are going to solve some problems from the exercise 12.2. Question number 1. A field is in the form of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 meter and 10 meter. The non-parallel sides are 14 meter and 13 meter. Find the area of the field. We know that a trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So here in trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to DC and AD and BC are non-parallel sides. Here DC is given 10 meters and AB is equal to 25 meters. Then non-parallel sides are given 14 meters and 13 meters. So we are taking BC is 14 meter and AD is 13 meter. Here in the figure, draw CE parallel to DA. We have to draw a line CE parallel to DA. Now we get the trapezium is divided into two parts. One is parallelogram, the another one is triangle. So we get a parallelogram ADCE. In this ADCE, AD and CE are the opposite sides of the parallelogram. So since AD is 13 meter and CE also 13 meter. In the figure, AB is 25 meter, DC is 10 meter, DC is the opposite side of AE. Since ADCE is a parallelogram, so AE also 10 meters. Since AE is 10 meter, BE will be 15 meters. That is 25 minus 10, 15 meters. So now AE is equal to DC equal to 10 meter and BE is equal to AB minus AE, that is equal to 25 minus 10 is equal to 15 meters. Now in triangle CEB, we have all the three sides. A is equal to 15 meter, B is equal to 13 meter and C is equal to 14 meter. Now we can find the area of this triangle by using Heron's formula. So first we can find the S value. S is equal to 15 plus 13 plus 14 divided by 2, that is 42 by 2 is equal to 21 meter. So the area of triangle CEB is equal to square root of 21 into 21 minus 15 into 21 minus 13 into 21 minus 14. So in the next step we get 21 into 6 into 8 into 7. If we find the square root by prime factorization, we get the answer 84 meters square. So the area of triangle CEB is equal to 84 meters square. We know that the area of triangle CEB can be written as 1 by 2 into base into height. Here 1 by 2 into our base is BE and height is CF, that is equal to, we know the area of triangle CEB, that is equal to 84. That is 1 by 2 into BE is 15 into CF is equal to 84. Therefore CF is equal to 84 into 2 divided by 15, that is equal to 56 by 5 meters. 56 by 5 we can write 11.2, or we can write as a fraction 56 by 5 meters. CF is nothing but the height of the parallelogram. Now we can find the area of the parallelogram AECD, that is equal to base into height. So area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. So our base is AE, that is 10 into CF is equal to height is equal to 56 by 5, that is equal to 10 into 56 by 5 is equal to 112 meters square. Now we can find the area of the trapezium ABCD, that is area of the parallelogram plus area of triangle CEB, that is 112 plus 84 is equal to 196 meters square. So 196 meters square is the area of the given trapezium. Question number 2. An umbrella is made by stitching 10 triangular pieces of cloth of two different colors, each piece measuring 20 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 50 centimeter. How much cloth of each color is required for the umbrella? Here, the three sides of each piece of the triangular cloth is given 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter and 20 centimeter. It is an isosceles triangle. So first we can find the perimeter, then we can find the semi-perimeter. So the perimeter of the triangular part is 50 plus 50 plus 20, that is 120. Therefore, S is equal to 120 divided by 2 is equal to 60 centimeter. That is the semi-perimeter S value is equal to 60 centimeter. Now we can find the area of one triangular part, one piece of the cloth. So this formula is square root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. So our A, B, C are 50, 50 and 20 and S value is 60. So we can apply the values in the formula. So the square root of 60 into 60 minus 50 into 60 minus 20 into 60 minus 50. So in the next step, square root of 60 into 10 into 40 into 10. If you find the prime factors of these numbers and we get the square root is equal to 200 root 6 centimeters square. So the area of one triangular part is equal to 200 root 6 centimeters square. We need to find the area of 5 pieces of each color. So the cloth required for 5 triangular pieces of one color is equal to 5 into 200 root 6. So 5 into 200 root 6 is equal to 1000 root 6 centimeters square. So area of the triangular piece of each color is required is equal to 1000 root 6 centimeters square. Question number 3. Using Heron's formula, find the area of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 24 centimeter. Here we have an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 24 centimeter. We can find the side of the triangle. So the side of the triangle is equal to 8 centimeter. We know the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3a. So 3a is equal to 24. So a is equal to 8 centimeter. Then S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. Our a plus b plus c is nothing but the perimeter. Here the perimeter is given 24 centimeters. Therefore the S value, that is the semi-perimeter, S is equal to 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we can find the area of the equilateral triangle by using Heron's formula. So the square root of 12 into 12 minus 8 into 12 minus 8 into 12 minus 8. So in the next step, 12 into 12 minus 8 is 4. Therefore 12 into 4 into 4 into 4. If you find the square root for this factor is equal to 16 root 3 centimeters square. So area of the equilateral triangle is 16 root 3 centimeters square. In the question it is given, use the value 1.732 for root 3. That is root 3 is equal to 1.732. Now we can apply the value for root 3 in the answer. So 16 root 3. So 16 into 1.732, that is equal to 27.712 centimeters square. So this is the area of the given equilateral triangle. Question number 4. A kite is in the shape of a square with a diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and side 6 centimeter each is to be made of 3 different shades as shown in the figure. How much paper of each shade has been used in it? So here a kite is to be made in the shape of a square with a triangular base as given in the figure. So let ABCD be the square part of the kite and CEF be the isosceles triangle. We mark the points A, B, C, D for the square and CEF for the triangle. ABD is a right triangle in which BD is 32 centimeter and AM is 16 centimeter because the diagonals of a square bisecting each other. So the diagonals are equal also. Since the diagonals are equal, both the diagonals AC and BD are equal to 32 centimeter. That BD is 32 and AM is equal to 16 because the diagonals are bisecting at 90 degree. So the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at 90 degree. So we have AM is equal to 16 centimeter and BD is equal to 32 centimeter. Now we can find the area of the triangle ABD by using the formula half base into height. Now we can find the area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD is equal to half into BD into AM. So 1 by 2 into 32 into 16, that is equal to 256 centimeters square. So area of ABD is equal to 256 centimeters square. We know that the diagonal of a square divide the square into two triangles of equal areas. So area of BCD is equal to area of ABD, that is equal to 256 centimeters square. That is the part 1, portion 1 of the kite is equal to 256 centimeters square. Then the second portion also 256 centimeters square. Now we need to find the third portion, that is area of triangle CEF. Here A is equal to 6, B is equal to 6 and C is equal to 8. Here the sides are given, so we can find the area by using Heron's formula. So S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2, that is 6 plus 6 plus 8 divided by 2. So that is 20 by 2 is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we can find the area of the triangle CEF. The square root of 10 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 6 into 10 minus 8. So in the next step, we get 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. If we find the square root by prime factorization method, we get 8 root 5. So the area of triangle CEF is equal to 8 root 5 centimeter square. Here we know the root value, that is root of 5 value is equal to 2.24 approximately, or we can find the square root of 5 by long division. We get approximately 2.24. Therefore the answer 8 into 2.24 is equal to 17.92 centimeters square. So the area of the triangular part CEF is equal to 17.92 centimeters square.